door mirror. But first, what I find idiotic is, I even tried with this thing. See that notch right there? You would think to pry outward. You would think, right? No. See, I said, all right, well, let me try pull from here. Nope. You slide. You push forward. See? Ain't that silly? So then why the notch? Who knows? I'm just another notch under your belt. Screw right there. And a screw in there. Screw behind this little trap door, which I used this to get in between the door handle, the latch part, and you pull it out. There's a push pin, all lonesome, right here in the corner. Now this thing is so tight, okay? You see how tight that is? Getting this in, as thin as that is too thick for that. So I used a razor. Careful. You use the razor first. That'll give you enough gap. You see? Pop. Straight off. Push, push, and push. That's for the mirror, but that's for later. But you still have to get the door mirror off. Get the door panel off. So, as usual, right here in the corner, I pulled. Now, the worst part about it is this stupid light down here. I'm gonna show you. Let's unplug these guys. Oh, look, replace the switch. And then you pull. Keep pulling. There's clips that come straight out. Now, it's actually easier if I show you how to. These, but this is the harder part. This you have to squeeze right there, and it's hidden. Hidden all the way in that little corner right there. So you gotta straight down. What I did was turn the door panel completely around so it's in my hand this way, so I can see how to unplug it. You see? It's like buried. Now you can take it out. It fought with me. You can take it right here by catching something like this on the outer. But, whatever. Either way. Now, we already started as usual, taking the 10 mil off. Now what you didn't see is the 10 mil fell in there because mine is not magnetic. So we're gonna get a little magnet like this and go in there and get this guy. You see? Decided to make his way to the bottom. So don't go crazy. It's not where it fall all the way into the door. Now we're gonna take these 3 out to make sure this is the right way of taking this door mirror off. This is fully loaded. Blind spot, camera, and action. Let's get it apart. Now when you loosen it, you can be smart and take the socket off and do it by hand, because it'll be stuck on here on this little post. So you just grab it with the socket so it doesn't fall in there. Got it? Good. I'm gonna do the same thing with the next one, last one right here. Like the other one, it's loose, so we're going to be very, very careful. There you go, put it in a safe place. Now let's see how to get this thing off. Do not yank. There's a push pin right at the end of my finger, hiding. If you look closely, it's hiding up there. That's what's holding it in from falling to the ground. Now, I'm gonna push down on it, or try to. There you go. Because it's already still plugged in. Okay, so it's not gonna fall to its death. And let's take it out. See what I mean? That little tab right there. That's what's holding you in. Now, the rest of it is just plug and plug. Push in, pull out. Push in, pull out. See? Probably shouldn't have done that, but... And then this is just pull. Got it? Good. Now, let's put everything back. 310 mils back. And you took the door panel off. We'll just align it. And clip these. There's no way you can mess these up because they're two different lengths. See? So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.